Yeah, hi, my name is Dave Kerr. I'm the president of Humanoid Robotics at Shaeffler, and we're happy to be here at the Hannover Messe, and extremely happy that we won the Hermes Award this year for our rotary actuator platform featuring planetary gear sets. What makes our actuator innovative is we're vertically integrated, so we can control a lot of the interfaces and we can shrink the interfaces down. We can combine different interfaces to make a smaller packaging space. For example, we're at least 10 millimeters shorter than the previous versions of this actuator, and we're about 500 grams less in mass, which is really important when we talk about efficiency. The heavier the actuators, the more battery energy it consumes, and so it's really important to have efficiency in space and weight. Our Hermes Award-winning actuator platform is extremely relevant and important for the humanoid industry. So actuators are really the muscles of the humanoids, and these actuators, and there's different types of actuators, there's rotary and linear, and this happens to be our linear actuator platform, which combines a lot of expertise from Shaeffler, from different areas of Shaeffler that we have over 80 years of experience with, and we're able to combine that experience into a compact, torque-dense, rotary actuator for the humanoid application. So one of the challenges the industry is going to face is capacity and scaling of these components as volumes increase. So one of the things that Shaeffler has done for 80 years is we try to find use cases and components where we can replace machining with forming. So Shaeffler is a metal forming expert, and we do amazing things with all types of different components that you would believe should be machined, but Shaeffler can actually form them. And you're saving the capital expense of having to put in a lot of machines, but with these machines, normally it's long cycle times, and this takes a long time to produce a part. If you're forming it, it doesn't take minutes of cycle time, it takes seconds of cycle time, and that's really where Shaeffler can add value to the industry. So this is an example of our planetary gear actuator that won the Hermes Award. It's actual platforms. We'll have different sizes. Humanoids will need different actuators with different specifications in different locations on the humanoid. So this is one example here. This is a gearbox with an e-motor and a controller. And with that, they will get signals from the computer, from the humanoid, and tell it how to move. And this will rotate arms, it will rotate legs, and it facilitates the motion of the humanoid.
This is a strain wave actuator, relevant for shoulders, for concrete movement of the shoulder. And it's a highly integrated system, which consists of several components, which are highly deeply manufactured, consisting of e-motor, power electronics, and transmission. You can see it as well here on the hips. They have different sizes because due to the weight they have to lift and so on. And they are the Hermes Award winner. What we won is that we are able to have this modularity, depending on the use case, that we can and regarding the space requirements which the customer has, that we made it small or big. And it's as well, if you turn on the red, and as well in hands, for example.